hope you are having a wonderful day. So welcome to the another video of the channel. So today we will discuss how you can make $1,000 a month. So first of all, if you are someone who is trying trading or wanna do trading, so I also trade gold. I everyday trade gold, and I'm trading gold from 1.5 from last 1.5 year, and I have a very high accuracy, somewhere around 90 to 95% of the accuracy. From last 3 weeks I didn't do a single trade. There are so many weeks where I didn't lose a single trade. So I have a very high accuracy. So if you wanna know how I trade or you want to learn trading, do let me know in the comment section. I will try to make a video as soon as I can. So do let me know in the comments. Let's get back to the topic. So today's topic is how to make $100 a month. So if you are saying how to make $1,000 a month, so $1,000 is quite a small amount in a month. But if you are someone who is starting this business, so you can goal $1,000 a month, and gradually you will increase 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000. Gradually you will increase. The first year, if you are someone who is just entering in this business, your first goal is to make $1,000 a month. And is it easy to make $1,000 or not? So if you want to make $1,000 a month, what you have to do, you have to make $33.33 a day. Let's suppose it's 34, just round it off to 34. So you have to make $34 every day. Let's suppose you made a book of 100 pages and price it at $9.99. You just price it at $9.99. So you will make a royalty of somewhere around, sorry, it's a dollar sign. You will make somewhere around $3.84 as a royalty. So if you sell 9 units of this book, which you priced at 9.9, you will make $34 a day. So it is difficult to sell 9 units a day or not? So is it easy to make $34 a day? Yes, it's very easy. You can easily make $34 a day if you know what you have to do and what you don't have to do. So let's just see how much it is easy to make $34 a day. So I'm going to incognito mode, typing amazon.com, just changing the address. So let's suppose you made a kids activity book. Okay, kids activity books, and we have to find a book which is pretty new, don't have a lot of reviews. So it is priced at $12.99, and it's published on, it has a lot of reviews. We have to find someone which has low reviews or no reviews, and it's quite new. So let's try to find, so you will relate better. That's why I'm finding a new book. If I find like this, you will say they have a lot of reviews, they are established brand, they are running a lot of ads. So that's why I'm just trying to find a new one. Let's just go to the page 2. Let's see if there is any book which is quite new. 408 73 33. So it's published on 14 September. It's quite new. What is the find of 10 May 2022? It is quite new. 18 October 2022. It's a quite new book. So let's see. It's a calendar. You cannot publish calendar via KDP. So we have to find another book. So we are still searching. Everything takes time. Be patient. There is nothing you wanna do in a one day. So you have to take patience and do whatever you are doing. Keep yourself busy. Don't think negative. This is the only key. It has 12 reviews. and it's a 1 year old book. Okay, let's take this. It's a 1 year old book, and not having a lot of reviews, not established brand. So the book has 128 pages. The price at 7.99. They are making somewhere around $2 profit from this book, and the book rank on 7992. Okay, let's go to TCK sales, book sales calculator. Okay, book sales. It's a pretty cold here. So here you click on book 7992. Let's just put book rank. So here it will make 30 sales a day. So if you are making a 30 sales a day and making $2 a day profit, you are making $60 a day. And what we have to make? We have to make only $34 a day if we have to reach $1,000 a day. So now you will understand how much easy it is. Let's suppose you price your book at 799. You are not pricing your book at 999, 9.99. Let's suppose you make $60 a day, but you are investing. Let's suppose you are new and you didn't sell book, but you are spending $30 every day on your ads. If you are spending $30 a day on your ad and you are making $30 30 sales, so you are still profitable, 50% profitable. You are investing $100 and you are making $200. This is, if you are new, it doesn't gonna happen in a one day. It will take gradually time. So do it and over and over. Do it over and over, and one day you will achieve it. Sorry for bad English, I am not a native speaker. So now you will know, and I am just giving an example of one book. You can upload 1, 10, 20, 50. So you will have a high probability of selling, but don't upload crap. Just do your research, make your book good, then upload it. Then if you have a 10 book and running auto, if you have 10 books and you run auto ads, still you will make almost 1 sale a day from a book, from one book. Yes, it is easily achievable. You can make if you are running an auto ads. Just update your bid if it's not getting impression. I'll make a separate video on this. If you want, do let me know in the comments. So this is it of the video. Now you know it's very easy. It's very easy to making $34 a day, and just multiply it. If your one book is making $34, just upload 10 books and every book is making $34. So in one day you will make $340. Let's just upgrade it to 100. That's how you will gradually increase your portfolio and you will make more and more money. So this is how business works. Don't think negative, just trying to do each day, trying to do something. Just try to learn ads, try to just launch some ad and monitor it on a regular basis. So every day do something which will take you near to your dream. So if you have a dream of making $1,000 a month, do it. Make books, upload books, run ads on them. So I hope you get my point. Thanks for watching. If you are someone who is new, consider subscribing to this channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. This is the end of the video. Over and out.